This is ASUS Zenfone 9, and today we would like to show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the system category. Alrighty, I've entered the wrong one. So go for the system category. In here, open the About Phone section. And at the About Phone section, you want to expand the status. And in here you'll find the SIM status. And as you can see right here, the phone number section will show the actual mobile phone number that is saved into the respective SIM card memory. So in my case, the SIM card installed in the first slot do have the mobile phone number saved into its own memory, which is not the case for the SIM card installed in the second slot. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.